Reporting from Acuris in New York, I'm Rashmi Basu, keeping an eye on Acuris with some of the biggest headlines last week. First up, shares of Premier surged over 10% after Dear Reporter exclusively reported on December 2nd that the healthcare services company was working with two investment banks to explore a sale. The North Carolina-based group purchasing organization company is in the early stages of exploring a sale and will likely collect initial bids by the end of the year, sources told Dear Reporter. Premier helps over 4,000 U.S. hospitals and health systems purchase products and services at lower costs. Next, Par reported on the trial beginning Monday that would determine the fate of the Sprint T-Mobile merger, which was announced nearly 2 years ago. Last week, in a pre-trial conference, the companies declined the opportunity for a final round of settlement discussions, with a group of state attorneys general seeking to block the deal. Finally, Debtwire Municipals reported that California Governor Gavin Newsom is pushing for a transformed Pacific Gas and Electric, PG&E, saying that a state takeover is a potential solution to the utility's problems. A planned proposal from state legislators would make PG&E a public entity. And a ballooning number of cities and nonprofit groups are banding together in support of municipalization. The state of California is likely the only viable option for advancing municipalization efforts of PG&E, as it is the only entity that could manage the logistics and cost burden of the endeavor, according to experts interviewed by Debtwire. And that's an eye on Acuris. Stay tuned for more headlines next week.